Hello, Blockheads. This is Bob Anglin, and I had a fantastic opportunity to spend some time with Phil Simpkins, the founder of Arro Social, a couple weeks ago. Now, I actually sat on this video because there were some technical problems, and I was thinking maybe I could redo it, but you know what? It was a fantastic interview, and even with the technical problems, I really thought that the way he articulated the reason behind Arro Social, I wanted to get this out anyway. In fact, I've sat on it long enough that I've grown my beard back, which you'll notice in the video. It was kind of a really cool day. We first went to, we met at Top Golf, which is a place that I best can say is like a bowling alley for golfers. Basically, it works basically the same ways, but it's a golf instead of bowling. I'm not a golfer, and Phil was gracious enough to give me a golf lesson. He taught me a basic swing. I was able to actually hit the ball in the air. It went up in the air, and it went straight, about 80 some yards, but you know, I've never played golf before except for maybe putt-putt. This was actually a really cool opportunity for me. We were going to actually do the interview there at Top Golf because it's such a cool place. But with a lot of, it was hot there, so they had a lot of fans going. There was a lot of music playing loud. We decided that sound-wise, we really needed to get inside of another place. So we went inside. I really wasn't equipped with the right lighting for that indoor thing because we were planning on doing it outdoors. And so we got some weird lighting going on whenever in this video. And I also had got it back to the house, and somehow I got the balance all out. So his mic is low, my mic is too high. And so there's some weird things technically going on there. But the content of this interview was so good that, and he's so busy, I couldn't get him to go and do a whole other thing. So what we did is I just decided to cut that part of it that I think is so important for you to watch. So go ahead and watch this, and then I'll be right back whenever it's over. Hello, I'm Bob Anglin, and I'm here today with Phil Simpkins, the founder of Arro Social, and we're going to be talking today about Arro Social and a lot of other things about cryptocurrency and other things. So let's talk a little bit about Arro Social. Like, where's the idea for this come from?
The weird thing is I was sitting there on Facebook and just kind of updating my stats and going, dude, I'm doing this for free. I'm posting videos. I'm building my own network. I'm creating this and giving stuff away for free and trying to build some of the goals that we'd want to accomplish. Right at the time, I was selling a book, and so you're going. So you want me to pay to reach all my friends, right? So we've created them, we've linked them, and now you want me to pay to reach them all.
Yeah.
It just didn't sit well. It didn't make sense.
Yeah, I brought them all to you. Now you're asking me to pay you to talk to them.
Yeah, and so to talk to all my friends that we have in this group. That it used to work that way. Right? You used to send it to everybody, but now I have to pay.
Yeah.
Right. So you bring me in to your family-friendly place, and then now I have to pay for services that I used to get.
Talk to my family.
Yeah. And so that kind of like hit me, and it's like, gee, this is just weird. And so you go onto Twitter, and Twitter works okay, right? But it's kind of like, well, here's a post, and then everybody meets along the same subject. So it's kind of not as friendly because you're just getting whatever anybody else says, right? Without a sword or without a filter or without anything. You're just getting information, right? So you start hearing, oh, well, so and so said this, and you start going, but why, right? And so then you start seeing advertising bleeding into to what you're doing, and you're going, wait, so I'm getting interrupted by what I want to see with things that maybe I don't care about, right? And so it started talking with other people, and they're experiencing that same thing, right? And everybody's saying, well, you just got to, right? You just got to give away things for free and attract people, and then wait, I've attracted them, and now I got to pay to talk to them. Yeah. So it just didn't make any sense. and
in some cases where you're a business, you've paid to attract them.
Yeah,
You've already paid to attract them. Now you have to pay to keep talking to them. Yeah.
And so it's like this just doesn't make sense. And so then some of the apps that developed then came along and said, oh well, here's crypto, right? And so the same thing started happening. Oh, we're not going to have advertising, but every email or letter or post that I saw has advertising at the end of it, right? So everything either has an advertising video to get you to entice, or has an advertisement at the bottom that says, "Hey, do this, do this, do this." It's like, but wait, that's still advertisement.
Yeah, right? Or when you try to go and just do a normal search, the ads are down the side. Because they read your email.
Yeah. And then some transition said, "Oh well, if we just have this group pay for it." Wait, that's still paying for it, right? Whoever you have pay for it, whether it's the person that created it or the person that's using it, you're still paying for it. And so I wanted to create something that's free at the same time that pays you for your content. And if you do away with commercials, then who's paying for it? Because there are costs associated. So we kind of sat down as a team and a group and tossed some ideas out. And the first idea was, well, here, give these people this bit of crypto or money or whatever over here, and then they have to use that, right? It's not theirs yet, but they have to use it. It's like, that's just weird. Like, here's some money, but you have to, hey buddy, here's some money, but you have to spend it this way.
Yeah.
It's like, wait, constrained and directed money, right? That was the first concept.
Yeah. It's almost games.
It's almost
games.
You watch a video, then you watch a commercial. Then
you play
the game, then you watch.
Yeah, they give you tokens to keep playing your game.
Do we want to do that? Not really, right? We'd rather just play for free or do what we want to do for free. So if you create a pool, right, then the next best thing that we saw was like create some type of pool that you can earn. Yoshi, come on, buddy. It's okay. And create a pool that has like a sharing mechanism, right? So you can earn it in that pool, and that pool gets distributed to the folks that have either used it that day or created the content, and then basically distribute it at the end of the day to the folks that have used or created the content and then done the views. And that seemed to make a lot more sense, that basically you're distributing the commercial, let's call it earning for lack of a better word, right? So that way you're distributing the commercial earning to the folks that are actually using it. And that makes a little bit fairer distribution. So we started focusing on fairness, right? And then the best character that we saw for fairness is basically Robin Hood. So steal from the rich to give to the poor, right? Because we've already seen what happens when you give to the rich, right? If you give to the rich, they just make more money or charge you more.
Yeah.
So
and they make it harder for anybody else to make it while
or to enter that market.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And so that's literally what we're trying to deal with. Right. We're trying to start this under grassroots movement to redistribute the wealth is a little bit harsh. Right. Basically send the profits where they should be going.
Yeah.
So that was Phil Simpkins talking about where the whole idea for Arro Social came from, and it's just so their alpha's about to come out, and it's just so exciting. I want you guys to get on board with this. So I need you to go to arro.io, and I want you to sign up so that you'll find out right when the alpha comes out. You'll be in on it, and we'll get to hit the ball rolling. Hit the road rolling. Hit the ball rolling. I don't even know what that is. What do you say? Hit the ground running. Hit the ground running. That's what it is. So you can hit the ground running with Arro Social when it comes out. In the meantime, absolutely follow Arro Social on Twitter at Arro Social, and also me, of course, at Bob Anglin and at Blockspace. And please subscribe to our YouTube and share these videos so that we can get more people in as we shamelessly promote blockchain technology. Bye.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.